It's kindergarten time here at Sudduth Elementary, and we're excited to welcome a new group of kindergarten students into the school district. And I'm here with Ms. Cambre Paes, and we're going to talk about some things that will help get kindergarten students ready to come to school in just a few months. So Ms. Paes, if you would, share with us what a typical day looks like in kindergarten.
A typical day in kindergarten starts as we welcome our students come into our classrooms. We have morning routines such as eating breakfast in our classroom. We write in journals and complete morning work. We sing songs and talk about the weather. And we have a mix of activities such as our read alouds and centers with hands-on activities for the kids. We practice letters and sounds and numbers and counting. We also get to attend one of 6 specials: makerspace, technology, library, music, art, and PE. In the afternoons, we go to recess, and this is where the kids get to socialize and play. Our day in kindergarten is fun and energetic, and it's a safe environment where they feel nurtured and excited to explore the world around them.
So many times we get questions about what parents can do to help their students be ready to come to kindergarten. And one thing that I always encourage parents to do is to help them learn their real name. We all have pet names for our children, and we like to call them by nicknames, but learning their real name is very important because that's a safety concern if they don't know their real name, but also just help them be excited about coming to kindergarten. Talking about the fun experiences they're gonna have, the new friends they're gonna meet, all the things they're gonna learn, and all the things they're gonna get to do that they haven't done before.
Follow simple instructions and being able to clean up after themselves when they complete an activity, and being able to do some simple tasks independently. Knowing basic letters and numbers recognition. All of this will help their child feel more confident as they start their kindergarten journey.
So if you could talk to us a little bit about what you do as a classroom teacher if you see that a child maybe is struggling in a specific area or with a specific task.
When we learn that a child may be struggling or behind on some skills, we provide targeted support to help them catch up. Teachers offer a small group activity or a one-on-one session that's more personalized for the instruction. We adapt our lessons to meet the child's needs, and we want to make sure that every child has the resources and the attention they need to succeed and thrive.
We really welcome parent involvement here at Sudduth, and parents are involved from the very first step of registering their children for kindergarten. They go on to the parent portal via the school district website and register their children through the website, upload the documents that are required there, and then from that step, we really encourage parents to fill out our student profile form, which is listed on the Sudduth website. The student profile form gives parents an opportunity to tell administrators what the child needs specific to that child. So it is a place for parents to list growth areas or areas that you think that your student is already strong in. It also is a place for you to talk to us about personalities of teachers. So if you think that your child might need someone who is very strong and firm but soft-spoken, or if you need somebody for your child that is full of energy and bubbly. So we read over every single one of those and try to match the children with a good fit teacher so that we can be proactive and start the year on a positive note. One thing that parents also ask is, as they are working through the summer and getting ready to bring their children to kindergarten, what are some things they can physically do to get their children ready? And one thing that we always encourage is that if you're going to be a car rider, work on unbuckling that seatbelt.
You don't think about those little skills that you can help them with, such as opening a bag of chips, learning how to open and close a water bottle, unpacking and repacking their backpack. And one of the biggest things is to encourage your child to be more independent. All of these things make a huge help when transitioning to kindergarten for both teachers and students.
This spring, as we get ready to transition to a new school year, we have kindergarten open house on March 4th. That's a Tuesday night. And we'll have all of our kindergarten classrooms open. Our kindergarten teachers and our teacher assistants will be here for families to meet them, see the school. There's a scavenger hunt that you can participate in, and of course get your picture made in many places, but also get your sign for your yard that says "Kindergarten, Here I Come."